Good morning. It was one of those days where I hopped on my bike with no set destination in mind. Just me, my thoughts, and the road ahead. The city was still waking up as I started my ride along MacArthur Highway, the early morning breeze gently pushing against my face. I kept pedaling north, letting my instinct decide where to go. Soon enough, I found myself at the iconic Monumento Circle. A quick pause there, just to admire the morning light bouncing off the Bonifacio Monument, a place rich in history, symbolizing Filipino resistance and bravery. From there, I rolled straight down to Divisoria, weaving through the morning chaos. Vendors setting up, jeepneys loading passengers, classic Manila energy at its finest. While cruising through the city, I suddenly noticed something off with my bike. The shifter wasn't responding well, and the derailleur was acting up, making it hard to switch gears smoothly. I had to pull over, check the cable tension, and realign the derailleur. It's one of those unexpected moments every cyclist deals with, but thankfully, a quick roadside fix got me back on track. And who can blame them? I was riding my BIRDY folding bike. It's not your average folding bike designed by Riese & Muller in Germany. The BIRDY is known for its full suspension system, sleek design, and smooth ride. It's compact yet capable of handling city commutes and even longer weekend rides. What makes it stand out is its unique folding mechanism. Unlike most folding bikes, the BIRDY doesn't have a mainframe hinge, which means it's both sturdy and lightweight. Right in front of Conrad Hotel, I spotted BRU on wheels, a cozy little coffee truck parked with a perfect view of the bay. The aroma of fresh brew was impossible to ignore. It's a great pit stop for cyclists and early risers looking to refuel with good coffee and even better vibes. Then I headed straight towards Mall of Asia Circle. But somewhere along the way, I ran into a bit of a hiccup. My bike shifter started acting up. Had to pull over and take a quick look. While I was fixing it, a group of cyclists formed beside me. Some of them were eyeing my ride. It wasn't the longest ride or the most planned, but sometimes the best rides are like that. Just you, the road, and wherever the wheels take you. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this journey and want more stories from the saddle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Ride safe and see you on the next one.